Welcome back to my channel, you know what I'm saying, gang gang.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange, well I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashia Jabre, and today I will be showing you guys how I do my makeup. This is going to be my very first makeup tutorial, so I want you guys to bear with me, okay? This is pretty much what I do. Of course, I use different colors and stuff like that, but this is pretty much what I do for my makeup routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please do not forget to thumbs this video up and also hit that subscribe button, because my Kashia baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you could be lit too. I know I haven't been making videos lately, but I'm working super duper hard on trying to get on a schedule for you guys, because I don't like slacking off just as much as y'all don't like seeing me slack off. So of course I have school and sports and all of that good stuff to deal with, but I'm gonna try my hardest to get on a schedule, a stable schedule for you guys. Just bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. That's all I ask. Just bear with me. But I'm about to stop rambling, and I'm just gonna start this makeup tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy. So pretty much the first thing that I always do is do my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna take this spoolie that I got from the dollar store, and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows. I got a fresh trim. Okay. So now I'm gonna take my Colormates eyeliner pencil, black brown. It says eyeliner pencil, but I use it for my brows. And I'm just gonna create a small little line up underneath my brow. And you want to do this super duper light. And as you go down the brow, you can get a little harder, because that's where I have the least amount of hair at. I just draw my little tail. And then I go back in with my spoolie and I blend that out. So then I just brush my eyebrow out just to see my shape, because if y'all been subscribed to me for a little while, I used to go all out with my eyebrow shape, but now I'm just focusing more on how my eyebrows are naturally shaped. So I try to follow that line instead of trying to make my own line, because and then I'm gonna take this pencil again and I'm just gonna lightly trace. Y'all, it's okay to mess up on this part. You don't have to be super duper clean. So now I'm just taking a pencil and I'm just filling in the inside of the brow. Then I'm gonna go back in with my spoolie and I'm gonna blend it all out. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did on this brow to this brow. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color, what color is this? Creamy beige. And I'm just gonna put some of this on the back of my hand. And then I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow brush. I honestly need a new one because I've been using this since I started doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put some of that concealer on it. And this part you wanna be super duper careful about. This can make or break your eyebrows, okay? So now I'm going to go in with my Bare Minerals BAREPRO foundation, and I'm just going to put some of this on the back of my hand. You can use whatever foundation you use. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild brush. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to put some of that foundation on it. And then I'm going to clean up the top of my brows, because I feel like this just looks more natural when it comes to a person who doesn't wear a full face of makeup. So this is what I have found that has looked best for me. So and then I'm going to go back in with my eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to clean up the mistakes that I made with the concealer. So now I'm going to use this blending brush. This came from H&M. I don't know what the name of this is either, because I have used it for so long that the words are no longer there. So I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to blend the bottom. The top doesn't matter right now because I am going to wipe the excess off with a makeup brush. So after 72 hours of trying to make my brows look the same, I didn't. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my finger and I'm just going to blend out this concealer. And I'm going to add a little bit more to the lid of my eye. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the eyeshadow. I am using the Profusion Beauty Treasure Box. Now I'm going to take this small eyeshadow brush and I'm going to dip into medium brown shade. This one right here. It looks darker on camera than it actually is in person. Just going to lightly tap in that, blow off the excess, and I'm just going to blend this. That's my transition. Okay, so now that that's blended, I'm going to go in with a darker brown shade. I'm going to use this one right here. And I'm just going to mix it with this one. And I'm going to put this in my crease. And I'm just going to take the same shade. And I'm going to use this on my outer V to kind of close in my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this Beauty Moment. It's basically like a completely glitter palette. It's just a whole bunch of glitters, if you guys can see on camera. But I'm going to choose. So I'm going to use this shade of glitter right here. It's like a dark rose gold shade. So I'm just going to take one of these eyeshadow applicators and I'm just going to put some of that dark rose gold shade on it. And I'm going to focus this before the inner corner and I'm going to bring it all the way to the center of my eyelid. So now I'm just going to take a smaller eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to dip into those same colors that I used on my crease. And I'm going to add this to the outer corner of my eye. So I honestly should have used tape, but I completely forgot. So I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to clean up the eyeshadow. I'm just going to add some black eyeliner under my eyes. And I'm just going to use that same eyeshadow applicator and I'm going to take a super duper light, kind of goldish, kind of whitish highlighter shade. It is in this same Beauty Treasure Box by Profusion's palette and it is in this corner. Alright, so now that I have that in there, I am moving on to my favorite part and that is to add mascara. So I'm just going to go in with my MAC Upward Lash Upward Black mascara. I hope that's what it's called, but that's the only thing I see on here. So I'm just about to go in with this stuff because I love mascara. So now that we got some drama on the top, we're gonna go extra light on the bottom because I don't like a lot of mascara under the bottom of my eyes because it smudges during the day, so I try to avoid that. Okay, so now we're gonna take our makeup wipe and we're just gonna clean up that foundation that we had on the top so it don't be teamed too much. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this Profusion's Beauty Superstars Beauty Collection and I'm gonna take this pink highlighter shade right here and I'm just gonna add this to my brow bone using this dollar store brush. I don't even know. So I'm going to take that same pink highlighter and I'm going to mix it with this gold highlighter. I'm going to add this to my nose, to my cheekbones. And I also like to add a little bit to my forehead, just whatever is left on the brush, and also to my chin. And I'm also going to put some of this on the bridge of my nose. Okay, so guys, I'm about to put on some clothes and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys a few lip combos that you guys can do with this. Okay, so since fall is coming up, I decided to put on this super duper cute sweater. And I am going to start with a burgundy lip. So I'm going to take this NYX Suede matte lip liner and it is in the color vintage/retro. I'm going to line my lips with this. Okay, so now that you have your lips lined, you're going to use this MAC matte lip color and it is in the shade Sin, and I'm just going to put this all over my lip. Or you can use a MAC lip gloss and you can use the shade Bittersweet Me. You're just going to put a light coat of this on your lip. And since I like a more glossy look, I'm going to add this LA Colors lip gloss to make it pop. Or if you are just a lip gloss kind of girl, you could just use your LA Colors. This was like 99 cents at the dollar store. You can use this and just gloss up your lips real cute. Or you can jazz it up a little step further. I have this Profusion Sparkling Lip Topper. And you can just add this on top of your lip gloss to add some glitter. Okay, so this pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up. And also, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what lip combo you guys will use if you decide to try this. And please, please, please do not forget to either send me a picture on Snapchat, send me a picture through DM, send me a picture somewhere, sis. I just want to see it, okay? And I'll probably most likely 10 times out of 10 repost you. So, like I said before, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, most definitely do not forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm lit. My cash baby's lit. And if you subscribe, then you could be lit too. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.